Napoleon Hill is a well-known author and personal success expert, famous for his book Think and Grow Rich. His views are based on a comprehensive philosophy that explains the path to success and emphasizes the importance of a positive mindset. Here are some of Hill's perspectives on wealth. Power of thought. According to Hill, success and wealth start with thoughts. A positive mindset and belief determine real-world success. Positive thinking helps you focus on your goals and empowers you. Goal setting. Hill notes that successful individuals clarify their goals and focus on them. The key to success is having specific, measurable, and achievable goals. Belief and self-confidence. According to Hill, belief and self-confidence are the cornerstones of success. Believing in yourself and staying focused on achievement provide the strength to move forward when facing obstacles. Action and hard work. Hill emphasizes the need to turn thought power into action. The key to success is turning your thoughts into action and working diligently. Building good relationships. Hill argues that success involves having a strong support network. Building good relationships, seeking mentorship, and surrounding yourself with successful people can enhance your success. Positive mental programming. One of Hill's views is positive mental programming. Turning negative thoughts into positive ones and developing positive self-talk are crucial steps on the path to success. Resilience and persistence. Hill notes that successful individuals have the ability to overcome challenges and persevere. Learning from struggles and moving forward without giving up are essential components of success. Napoleon Hill's philosophy emphasizes that wealth is not just about material possessions, but also about mental strength, belief, and determination. Understanding and applying these principles play a fundamental role in the journey toward success and wealth. The journey to wealth is a process that varies from person to person, and it is not something that happens overnight. However, considering the fundamental steps and strategies, I can explain how you can become wealthy starting from $0. Assess your financial situation. First and foremost, clearly assess your current financial situation. Review your income, expenses, assets, and debts. This will help you understand where you are starting from and where you want to go. Budgeting and saving. Regardless of the amount of money you have, saving and budgeting are important. By allocating a portion of your income to savings, you can build a safety net for future opportunities. Educate yourself and personal development. Wealth is not only about finances, but also about knowledge and skill accumulation. Read, learn, and develop yourself. Education and skills will provide you with more opportunities in the long run. Invest. Turning your savings into investments is crucial for increasing your wealth. Evaluate various investment options such as stocks, real estate, bonds, or other investment vehicles. However, don't forget to conduct thorough research before investing. Entrepreneurship and starting your own business. Starting your own business can be a significant step in your journey to wealth. If you have a business idea or a talent, take steps to turn it into a business. However, this also involves taking risks, so having a solid business plan and conducting research is important. Network and build relationships. Building a strong network and relationship circle is essential for success in business and life. Connect with people, seek mentorship, and interact with successful individuals. This can provide you with new opportunities and knowledge. Continuously evaluate and improve yourself. The journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Continuously evaluate yourself, review your goals, and strive for improvement. Be flexible and learn from mistakes. Develop good communication and negotiation skills. Good communication and negotiation skills provide a significant advantage in business and personal relationships. Read books, attend courses, and practice to improve these skills. Remember that wealth is not only measured by material possessions, but also by personal development, happiness, health, and relationships. Focus on pursuing wealth in other areas as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the videos till the end. See you in the next videos.